Hi everybody, this is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol LINE. Okay, this chart is a 15-minute chart, and each candle represents 15 minutes of trading. Okay, so yeah, there was a very strong uptrend, that started back here on the 16th when the middle Bollinger Band resistance level broke. As you can see, candles were riding up above the middle Bollinger Band here. There was a close below the middle Bollinger Band, but then the open the following day on the 17th was above, and then the candles rode EMAs 4 and 8 support higher throughout the trading day. Yesterday on the 17th. Okay, so then today, what happened was the open with the open had a gap down open with the big red candle formed. Okay, and the very first candle broke EMA's 4 and 8 support, so that was a red flag. And we did, issue a red flag right at the opening in our chat that the chart was breaking down. And then as this candle here that formed above EMA's 4 and 8, it looked like the chart was going for a bounce, but as you can see, LINE failed to hold the EMA 8 support level, and then candles started forming below both levels. Okay, and so right here you got right here, this was the start of the middle Bollinger Band support break. And if you had not exited, okay, so let's say you were in on the 17th, you held overnight. If you didn't exit on this first red candle, you wanted to exit on this candle when you saw that the bounce was not happening. And then if you still hadn't exited when the EMA's 4 and 8 broke, you definitely wanted to be out down here when the middle Bollinger Band support level broke. That was the indicator that the chart was really breaking down. And then if you look down here at MACD at the same time at 11 o'clock here, there's this bearish crossover on MACD. So that was the multiple red flags there, 3 in a row. Four red flags saying strike, you're out. And then look what happened. The middle Bollinger Band turned into resistance, and then there was this giant drop at the close. All right, and with this huge volume spike, so a huge dump at the end. There was a lower wick on the candle there, so there was some loading off of low day. But the thing is that when you see the chart break down, you want to exit as quickly as possible. And when the chart didn't set up at the start of the day correctly, you knew there was downside risk. Okay, and that's why we exit when the chart's breaking down, because you don't want to have a day like this happen where there's a big drop at the end and a 30-40% decline. Okay, so now we'll be looking for the EMA's 4 and 8 resistance to break on the 15-minute chart. Close above EMA 8 is going to put the middle Bollinger Band on deck. A new uptrend will not begin until the middle Bollinger Band here at 0.559 turns into support. Okay, so now line is on bounce radar. There, Fasto and RSI are at oversold levels. Okay, thank you for viewing this chart. You can check us out at mychartcoach.com and at our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. Thank you.